Hello teacher, I'm going to present my speaking test. The story begins one day I was sick and I went to school. At that time I was in elementary school. At the first hour we had computer class, so we had to go to the computer room. We went downstairs and just as we were leaving I sneezed too hard. I had diarrhea, so immediately I realized that I had pooped. Obviously, I didn't tell the teacher, and I had to make an excuse saying that I was going to tell something important to the coordinator to escape to the bathroom. When I got to the bathroom, I was desperate because there wasn't paper and I had no way to clean myself. So, in my desperation, I decided to clean myself with my pants, and I spent the whole day like that until I left. At that time, my sister was still at school, so I had to go to where she was, so we could go together, as well as my classmate Emiro, who did the same with his sister. While Emiro and I were there, he realized that there was a bad smell, and seeing that I was always sitting on my back, he accused me that I had pooped, and I denied it. Minutes later, I went home where I told my parents and my sister what had happened, and since then they constantly bother me with this story.